Welcome to FTC, Feather Touch Tissues. India's leading manufacturer of tissue paper making machines. Paper bag making machine. And innovative disposable product manufacturing solutions. For more than 14 years, we've been helping entrepreneurs start, grow, and succeed across India and around the world, building successful manufacturing businesses and turning business dreams into reality. FTC is not just a machine manufacturer. We help entrepreneurs start, grow, and scale their manufacturing businesses through machine manufacturing business guidance, operator training, supplier support, and marketing assistance. Every machine is manufactured with precision engineering and undergoes multiple quality inspections before delivery. Our experienced production team ensures every customer receives a reliable machine built for long-term performance. FTC manufactures a wide range of machines designed for different production capacities and business requirements. Every customer receives a live machine demonstration before delivery, ensuring complete confidence in machine performance and production quality. Our relationship doesn't end after machine delivery. We provide installation guidance, operator training, technical support, supplier connections, and business consultation to help every customer build a successful manufacturing business. FTC machines are trusted by entrepreneurs across India and international markets. Our mission is to make manufacturing accessible, profitable, and sustainable for every entrepreneur. If you're planning to start or expand your manufacturing business, FTC is ready to support your journey from idea to production. Visit our factory, experience our machines live, and let's build your manufacturing success together.